Alright guys, Chevy Spark. About a couple days later, I had to order the part. There's the box right there. So basically, I have to get a used one from the junkyard so I could move this vehicle out. So here's a used one. And this is the new one that I ordered, brand new. It was like 60 bucks plus shipping. I had to get it flowing in because I want it quick. If not, it will take 2 weeks. So flowing in about a couple days. So I had to use this one first. This is from 2018 and my vehicle is 2020. So I had to use this one. It kind of worked a little bit. The circumference of this thing is so tiny. So I had to like cut little tabs off so they will fit in here. So 2018 and older is not gonna work on this 2020. You have to find the right one. So here's the right one now. Trying to program it, but it doesn't work on my auto. So just install it, put the key in, start it. It start. No engine lights on, no ABS. Like that. So I don't think you don't need to program the immobilizer on this. Other than that, it seems like it's good. You're gonna take it for a test drive here, make sure it runs good. It won't shut off on you, it won't die on you. So to me, you don't need to program the immobilizer. I read online or on the SI Service Information Center, he says that something about programming, but if you're changing your ECU, body control module, electric control module, if you're changing that, yeah, of course you need to program, especially with the key as well. So this is good. I got everything all set up. I just need to put the cover for the steering wheel right here. I bought it from the junkyard because the old one was all cracked up, broken. Here's the old one. See how there's a hole right there, and there's a hole right there. So let's put this new but used back in here. It's pretty easy. There's a bolt right here, and then bolt on the other side, and then one bolt on the bottom. Those are the 3 bolts only that you need to worry about. And then after that, go for a test drive. Here's the tire we got. The front one is so bad. The back one is okay. It's a Saloon brand, exact the same brand. We're gonna match the back to the front. So that's it, guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys again on the next one.